Welcome to this guide on uploading and organizing your images to MyPathmation. Once you've registered an account and joined via the invitation link, select the Breast Pathology Symposium organization from the menu in the top right. Now we're in the Symposium's organization space. Click on Slides in the side menu. This is where you'll upload your images. You can upload via the drop zone by dragging and dropping, or by clicking the blue Upload button and selecting File or Folder. For easy organization of your slides, you can create a folder. Click the three-dot menu in the top right and select Create Folder, then give it a name. Once saved, you will see and be able to open your folder. Now we can upload our nicely organized images. We will show you both ways. First up, clicking the blue Upload button to open the menu and selecting Files on our computer. After navigating on your hard drive to find your images, double-clicking them will start the upload. You can see the upload is queued in the bottom right and watch the progress. The other upload option is to open your folder containing the files on your computer. Then select the image or images you want to upload, and drag and drop them into the gray drop zone. Once your uploads are finished, you can organize them into a collection. A collection is a group of slides, and can contain several cases. To make a case, select the images that are in it, click the three dots in the top right, and click Add Selected Slides to Collection. In the window that pops up, you can create and name collections and cases. I uploaded 3 cases, so I will create and name 3 cases. Now that my cases are named, I tick the checkbox for Case 1 and click Add Slides. Then I can repeat the process for the cases 2 and 3. Finally, I can check out the collection of cases in the Collections option in the sidebar. Clicking the eye icon lets you view the images one at a time or side by side. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or problems, please contact info@pathmation.com.